I was born deaf with ushers. As a kid growing up, I managed everything by signing. The hearing kids lived on one side of my house, the deaf kids on the other side, but we played together. All of us came together. They watched our sign, they understood, and we played marble, cricket, run this way, that way. We just enjoyed ourselves a lot. We had lots of fun. A grandfather who is in the army, he had this idea to take me to Bombay. A lady called Beroz, she is the one who started this school. It was the first school for deaf-blind children in India. She is the one who started it. She accepted us and they started to teach us. I worked together with Sanjay in the making of the movie Black. I worked together with the actors and taught them how to sign. I taught them how to hold their bodies and behave. I taught them how deaf-blind people act. After I finished working with them, in 2015, I thought that I myself, independently, I would like to build an NGO. And I quickly built and registered this NGO. Everything was alright and I named it SEDB. I want to talk about technology. Without technology, you can do nothing. I have traveled all over the world and the deaf-blind, I have learned so much from them. They are different, they are strong, but here there is no development. With very little technology, there are many barriers for us. First, the government needs to think about providing interpreters so that we can develop, we can go to the school and learn. They need to support us. They need to give us all these services and then we can work easily. If we have all these things, I can think of a future where we can actually help ourselves. Zamir, I want and SEDB wants that all organizations in the community, the different organizations of people with and people without disabilities, they all come together to work together to ensure the rights of people with disability. They need to help us get jobs, work, education, and support us to achieve our rights.